Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Meet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you record a Google Meet call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, I want to let you know this is a paid feature, so you have to have a Google Workspace account. If you have a free Gmail account like I do, you're not going to be able to record a call, but why would you want to record a Google Meet anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that recording Google Meet calls could be used for future sales opportunities or even future training opportunities. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in the Meet call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. So I opened up a live Google Meet call. So this is an actual call. And if you are the administrator or you're the one running the call, you can choose to record the call. You're going to click on these three dots here at the bottom. Once you do that, here at the top, you're going to go ahead and click on record. Again, this is a test account, so it doesn't have the recording available. You need to have a Google Workspace in order for that option to be available. However, once you're done recording the call and the Google Meet is completed, it's going to be saved in your Google Drive. You need to go to your Google Drive folder and then type in Google Meetings, and it should be saved in that folder. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to record a Google Meet call, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.